Good morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, and now select wallpaper. Choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. If you tap on more wallpapers, you will be able to enter the online content, so you can smoothly search for a preferred wallpaper here. But let me choose something from default wallpapers. For example, this one. Then click on apply and decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that would be all. As you can see, from now on, the picture is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.